I am Abi Caceres, a UTSA graduate with a degree in Administration and Management. I never imagined that transferring to UTSA would lead me to my career today. I started at a community college in McAllen, Texas before taking a big leap to UTSA. As a first-gen international student, I wanted to make the most of every opportunity. My senior year internship with the faculty success team in academic affairs was exactly what I needed. I took full advantage of UTSA's career workshops, advising, and networking opportunities, and my work on research about first-gen students, faculty support, and data management prepared me for what came next. When I started job searching after graduation, my internship had already given me the experience I needed, so when this role opened, I was ready. Now, as a faculty personnel specialist, I support faculty through hiring, onboarding, and career support. I work alongside the same people who mentor me, bringing my journey full circle. UTSA gave me the tools, but I had to take the step. That's what being bold is: stepping into new spaces, taking on challenges, and building your future.